Today, you're going to meet all the wild animals of the jungle and they are going to share few secrets with you. So, are you all excited for this trip? So, come on, let's go and meet the king of the jungle. Children, do you all know who is the king of the jungle?
Hello everyone, I'm Lax and I am the king of this jungle. But there is a secret that I don't live in jungles. I live in grasslands and plains away from the jungle.
Oh, but we always thought you're nearby as we could hear you so clearly.
The lion's roar can be heard till 5 miles. We have the loudest roar of any big cat species.
I'm so lucky. I can live in jungle and jump from one tree to other tree. You being the king of the jungle can't live in jungle.
What are you talking, you little monkey? The lions are always associated with pride, courage and strength, making us the perfect national symbol. Bye friends, I'm getting late.
I was just kidding. Bye, bye. I can see someone hiding there in the bushes. Can you see, friends? I'm so scared of these big cats.
Monkey, how old are you?
I'm just 8 years old and very, very small.
Monkey, when we are just 2 years old, we say goodbye to our mama and papa and we start managing things on our own.
Oh, at the age of 2, can you believe it, friends? Can you manage without your mama and papa at the age of 2? Oh, that's very nice, Tiggy.
Monkey, do you know counting?
Oh, yes, I can count. I can count very nicely.
Okay, then count the number of stripes on my body.
Oh, that's very easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What comes after 5? What comes after 5?
Monkey, I bet you don't know the counting after 5. Friends, I have a secret to share. We have more than 100 stripes on our body and no two tigers have same number or shapes of stripes. Isn't that a nice secret I've shared about us with you today? Monkey, can you swim?
Oh, yes, I can swim very nicely. I can even go under the water.
Monkey liar, we all know you can't swim.
Why did you tell my secret to everyone that I can't swim?
But we can swim. We can swim more than 10,000 rounds of your swimming pool, friends. Can you beat me, friends?
Stop flattering about you, Tiggy.
Why not? I'm proud of myself. We are the biggest species of cat family. But people are hunting us nowadays. I request you to save us before we become extinct like dinosaurs.
Oh, that reminds me of a big statue we have in the center of the zoo of a dinosaur. Come on, friends, let's go there. Bye, Tiggy.
Bye, friends.
Dinosaurs ruled us for more than 150 million years. Can you believe it? Children, like there are 700 different kinds of Pokemon today, there were 700 different kinds of dinosaurs. And they have been named and identified by the scientists. And so scientists say there are many more to be discovered. Can you believe it? So many different kinds of dinosaurs. Oh my God. Come on, let's move ahead. Children, now it's time to meet the hopping animal of the jungle. Do you all know who is the hopping animal of the jungle?
was too hungry. I'm going to introduce you to the other animals of the jungle. Very well.
Oh, thank you. But I'm very thirsty now. I need to drink water.
Why are you digging the ground?
We use our trunk to dig the groundwater. I'm an adult elephant and I need to drink around 210 liters of water every day. Friends, do you drink 2 to 3 liters of water every day? You need that, you know.
I'm still in a dancing mood.
How high can you jump, Kagi?
Kangaroos can jump very high, sometimes 3 times their own height.
Oh, friends, that means he can jump up and touch the ceiling of your house. Children, how high can you jump? Bye-bye, I'm getting late.
Well, Eddie, you can go backwards.
Oh yes, that's the secret about me. Can't you walk backward?
We'll try.
Yes, you can give it a try. Bye, friends.
Yeah. Ah!
Can't you see I'm standing here?
Oh, now I can see you, Jiffy. Sorry.
That was not funny. We're the tallest animal. And even our newborn babies are taller than humans. More than 6 feet, you know.
What? Such tall babies?
Our babies are fantastic. We don't have to carry them in the pouch.
What do you mean by that?
I mean, our babies start walking within half an hour after the birth. That's the secret.
Oh, but even humans carry their babies like I do.
Kids, at what age you started walking? Can you see? A baby so small starts walking so soon. Can you leave now? You disturbed my sleep.
Were you standing and sleeping?
We spend most of our life standing. We sleep for just 2 hours in the day. For how long do you sleep, friends? This is the secret. We have the shortest sleeping requirement.
Can't believe he sleeps just for 2 hours. And now it's time to meet someone who sleeps all day.
Bye, friends.
Hippie, hippie, get up, we are here to meet you. I'm Hippo, Hippo the hippopotamus. I'm Hippo, Hippo the river. Hurts my eyes and nose are top of my head. I stay underwater as long as you can. Jog and run as fast as you can. I float on the water to relax myself. Let me relax myself. Let me relax myself.
Hello friends, I'm Bunny and I'm in hurry. I have a race with a horse.
How can you even think of winning this race?
My mom has taught me never give up on anything Everything is possible with hard work and honesty.
Do you agree with him, friends?
The horse is coming. I have to go.
I don't hear anything.
Hearing is my most vital sense. That's the secret about me, friends. I can hear everything from the distance because I have large upright ears. My ears are double the size of your ears. Bye-bye.
I am Harry the horse. Look at my beautiful eyes. I have bigger eyes than any other mammal that lives on the land. I can see you, Kagi. Stop jumping.
How can you see me? I was behind you.
My eyes are on the side of my head. I can see everything what is happening at my back. I can see 360 degrees at one time.
Oh, I can't even look at my tail. Hope you enjoyed the trip, friends. We have a special performance for you.